Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'm showing you my fidgets in this bin. So yeah, let's get started. Remember to like and subscribe this video. So let's start. The first things we have here are the poppets, and I have 3 poppets. First one we have is the Among Us pink and white tie-dye poppet. It's super satisfying to play with, so yeah. And that's that one. Next we have the popsicle, which is so satisfying because it's so easily to pop. And it's very nice. So yeah. Then we have the bear poppet, which is super satisfying. There's one side which is good. And there's one side which is kind of bad. But the poppets are really nice and they're really cool colors, and I just really enjoy them. And so yeah. The next thing, besides those, are the infinity cube. The infinity cube is a cube, and it goes on and on. So you can fold it in so many different ways, back and forth into a cube. And it's super satisfying. And my favorite part is to fold it like that. And I love the colors, blue and pink, super cute. And yeah, next we have the mochis. I had 2 more, but I think they got mixed up with my sister's fidgets. We have a kind of realistic dog-like mochi, which I've never seen before. It's kind of interesting. He's really cute. Then we have my little, I think it's like a pig. I don't really know what it is. It's orange and cute, and so I'm not sure, but it's definitely cute. Then we have this dye homemade stress ball. It's a bit dirty, so I might have to clean them, my fidgets. But it's so satisfying. So yeah. Then we have the really skinny monkey noodles. They're just really satisfying to just they're stretchy and stuff. These are the thin ones. My sister has the fat or the thick ones, but they're really still fun to play with. Then we have this simple dimple, which is a 3 instead of 2. That's the loud side and the soft side. And the loud side, they're just really satisfying. They're just like poppets, just a bit bigger and a little bit harder to pop. But they sure are satisfying to do. Anyways, we have 4 marble thingies, where there's a marble inside. Is it like a marble mush or something? And you just kind of play around with the marble in there. I have 4 different colors besides the 2 oranges, so they're just really nice to play with. Next we have the rings. I think my gold ring is somewhere else, but it's not here at the moment. But this, you just put it on and you roll it back, and it is so satisfying. It feels so good on your finger. Next we have the ring. The ring toy, you just loop it around, and it's just so satisfying to see it. It's like it's gonna loop around and get stuck, but it doesn't. It just loops. It looks super cool. These are just little fidgets that are so fun to fidget with. Next is the little game controller fidget. Has 2 sides, and you can just fidget with them like you're playing a game. on a Nintendo Switch. Then I decide satisfying to click buttons. Then we have the last but not least, pea poppers. The middle one always has a little face. It's a little doggy face. Super cute. And yeah, 2 peas in a pod. So these are all my fidgets, and I hope you guys enjoyed. Oh, not the dog toy. Look away from the dog toy. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to like and subscribe so then you can join the Flamingo Club, and I will post just kind of randomly, but you know, yeah. And go check out my other videos, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!